news. Well, in the thick of Lok Sabha elections, the inheritance tax row has intensified. Prime Minister Modi has hit out against Sam Pitroda's comment this morning, alleging the Congress party that the Congress party really wants to take away people and their children's rights. The Congress has hit back, accusing the BJP of misleading voters. Listen in.
America, there is an inheritance tax. So if, let's say, one has $100 million worth of wealth, and when he dies, he can only transfer probably 45% to his children. 55% is grabbed by government. Now that's an interesting law. It says, you in your generation made wealth. You are leaving now. You must leave your wealth for public. Not all of it, half of it. Which to me sounds fair. In India, you don't have that. If somebody is worth 10 billion and he dies, his children get 10 billion. Public get nothing. So these are the kind of issues people will have to debate, discuss. I don't know what the conclusion would be at the end of the day. But when we talk about redistributing wealth, we are talking about new policies, new programs that are in the interest of the people and not in the interest of super rich.
कांग्रेस की नजर सिर्फ आपके आरक्षण पर ही ऐसा नहीं है। कांग्रेस की नजर आपकी कमाई पर, आपके मकान, दुकान, खेत, खलिहान पर भी है। कांग्रेस के शाहजादे का कहना है कि ये देश के हर घर, हर अलमारी, हर परिवार की संपत्ति का एक्सरे करेंगे। हमारी माताओं बहनों के पास जो थोड़ा बहुत स्त्री धन होता है, गहने जेवर होते हैं, कांग्रेस उनकी भी जांच कराएगी। यहां सरगुजा में तो हमारी आदिवासी बहनें चंदवा पहनती है, हंसूली पहनती है, हमारी बहनें मंगलसूत्र पहनती हैं। कांग्रेस ये सब आपसे छीनकर वो कहते हैं हम इक्वली डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर देंगे। अब आपको मालूम है ना वो किसको देंगे? मालूम है ना किसको देंगे? आपसे लूट करके किसको देंगे मालूम है ना? मुझे कहने की जरूरत है क्या? क्या ये पाप करने देंगे क्या आप?
There is a constitution, and constitution never allows to do this, and we are not we don't have any intention. Why you are putting his ideas in our mouth? Why you are propagating? He is just for votes. He is playing all this game. You take it from me, and you should also realize.
पहले पढ़ ले मैनिफेस्टो कि जो मैनिफेस्टो में नहीं है उसके बारे में वो इधर-उधर सारी बातें कर रहे हैं, कम से कम पढ़ तो ले, है ना?
It's not in the manifesto, my dear boy. What Sam Pitroda has said is not in the manifesto. Please understand, we are a democratic party. Everyone has a right to their personal opinions. Everyone knows I have personal opinions. But once the document is approved by the working committee, that's all the party is standing behind. So the party is saying, this is our document, read it. Nowhere does it talk about wealth redistribution. Nowhere does it talk about taking away anybody's gold and snatching the Mangal Sutras.
All right, so a war of words playing out over the inheritance tax. In fact, Sam Pitroda earlier this morning stoked the row by speaking to a media channel about this alleged redistribution of wealth, which the BJP and, of course, opposition, in fact, BJP has over and over again attacked. They say that they're going to take the wealth of people and, of course, give it to the rest. And this is largely a Marxist idea, is also one of the points that has been raised by the ruling party.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.